Python REPL tip. Use the underscore to obtain the result of the previous expression. For example, on the prompt, I type an expression like 7 plus 4, enter. Obviously, the answer comes out 11. But watch this fun part now. I type this underscore next and hit enter. Boom, I get 11. This is the result of the previously evaluated expression. The underscore refers to the previous result. The cool thing is, I can use this underscore as a variable in subsequent expressions, like, say, underscore times 5, 55, there we go. This was the underscore value, 11, times 5, as per the command. After this operation, now the value of underscore would be 55, since that is a previous result now. So, something like underscore minus 5 would give 50, because that's 55 minus 5. Now if I want to operate on this last result, 50, then I just use the underscore again, like this. Underscore refers to 50 currently. For this expression the result is 80. So the underscore is going to refer to 80 now. Now, I only showed you examples with numbers, and that's because numeric operations are simple to write and follow. But this underscore reference works for any data type. It's not restricted to numbers. This is really handy for trying out chained operations interactively. Please note that this won't work for sign and statements with the equal to sign. This works only when you enter expressions at the prompt. Thank you for watching. I hope this tip saves you a lot of time and effort.